Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can use Virtual Visa Card on PayPal. So let's jump right in. After logging into your PayPal account, navigate to the Wallet section where you can link your Virtual Visa Card. The layout may vary slightly depending on your region, but you'll find an option to connect a new card or bank account. Choose to link a card, select the debit or credit card option, and enter your virtual card information, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. If the card is compatible with PayPal, it will be successfully added and will appear in your wallet almost instantly. Once linked, you can use it to send payments, make purchases, or set it as your preferred payment method at checkout. Keep in mind that not all virtual or prepaid cards are supported by PayPal, and if your card isn't accepted, unfortunately, there's no alternative method to link it. You'll need to try a different card. When added successfully, your virtual Visa card will work just like any other card on your PayPal account.